Optimizing product recommendations is key to increasing average order value and improving the shopping experience. The Frequently Bought Together for WooCommerce plugin makes it easy to set up smart frequently bought together recommendations, effortlessly boosting sales. To enable frequently bought together recommendations, go to WooCommerce and frequently bought together from the WordPress dashboard. Enable the frequently bought together. Turn on automatic suggestions to generate dynamic recommendations. Choose a product suggestion source. Cross-selling is recommended, but if not enough cross-selling products are available, you can also include upsell products and related products to fill in. Set the maximum number of recommendations to display. 4 is a great number for an optimal shopping experience. And that's it. Your store is now displaying frequently bought together recommendations. This looks pretty good, right? But let's take it up a notch. Now that FBT is enabled, let's fine-tune it for even better results. If you head back to the dashboard to right where we left it, you have a bunch of options here to alter the recommendations itself, such as include the primary product in the bundle and pre-select FBT products for a seamless add to cart experience. Now, customers can add all of this to their cart with a single click. Apart from that, you can set the behavior of each product when clicked, such as opening details in a new tab or staying on the page. Hide out-of-stock products from FBT suggestions. This is a pretty handy option, helps you to only display available products as recommendations. Moving on, we have the option to modify how recommendations appear on product pages. Choose a layout, list view, table view, or grid view. Display key details, thumbnail, price, short description, quantity counter. Adjust the placement of recommendation. Below product meta, above summary, below the summary, below related products. You can also enable to display FBT recommendations on the cart pages based on products in cart, or trigger a pop-up with FBT suggestions when a customer clicks Add to Cart. What about making the representation a little personal? Ensure branding consistency with custom text and labels. Customize the frequently bought together section title. Modify the Add to Cart button text for different product combinations, such if they're only one or a couple or a bunch. Adjust the total price section label. Control your FBT recommendations with exclusions. You can exclude specific products or categories from ever being displayed on the recommendation just by selecting them here. Also, you can disable FBT for selected products. Select the products here and FBT recommendations won't be displayed for those products. Now, what about curating a whole custom recommendation for a product as your liking? All you high-margin products recommended as FBT for the products you choose. Seems pretty good. You can manually configure custom frequently bought together recommendations. Method 1. From the plugin settings. Go to the Set Custom Suggestions tab inside the plugin. Click Add, select the main product, choose complementary products. Click Save. Method 2. From individual product settings. Navigate to Products and select an item that you want custom bought together recommendation. Under Product Data, go to Frequently Bought Together, enable Custom FBT Suggestions. Add FBT products manually, click Save. Either way, you have the custom selected products as FBT recommendation for the chosen product. With the Frequently Bought Together for WooCommerce plugin, creating powerful product recommendations has never been easier. Start optimizing your store today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more WooCommerce tutorials. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments or reach out to our support team.